Good morning, everyone. Today we are going on a hike up North Georgia to Amicalola Falls. It's about an hour drive. Here's Eric. He's half asleep. JL is ready for the hike. JL, you ready for the hike?
Yep.
Okay. Yes, we are headed up to Amicalola Falls. It's north of where we live, in Georgia, in the Appalachian Mountains. We have about an hour and 7-minute drive.
51 miles.
Okay. What's our first stop? Where are we going? What are we
I'm gonna
doing?
get Dunkin' Donuts, a bagel, and coffee real quick.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna go down here to this Dunkin' Donuts down here.
Actually, Buford Highway.
It's sending me to the right, baby. I'm taking the
Buford Highway has the freshest coffee.
They should be all fresh.
They should be, but
Yeah, this one.
They make the best coffee.
Fresh right here.
I'm just saying they make the best coffee. According to JL, I don't drink coffee anymore, but according to JL, they've got the best. Okay, we're pulling up to Dunkin' Donuts because they want coffee and bagels.
Yes, I want one large coffee, 9 sugars,
6 creamers,
6 creamers,
piping hot.
piping hot,
A plain bagel
and
toasted with butter.
and a plain bagel toasted with butter.
That's JL's order.
That's all. I mean, you want something?
No.
I don't want
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
601.
I'm not getting anything because I am intermittent fasting until around noon.
Real quick, Mom.
And I think I'm gonna do my bagel at
Just a
Einstein.
Be like, I'm not getting anything. Like, just be normal. You know what I mean?
Okay.
It sound like you're like.
Okay.
Oh, you?
Are you pulling up your points?
No,
Okay.
I don't.
Okay.
I don't come to Dunkin' Donuts enough, so I'll let you put it on yours.
Here, you got to do this first. You got to do this first.
Can you do this?
Scan it before you
If it
pay.
didn't go through, it went through.
Yeah. I tried my best to cancel it, but whatever.
Yeah, no problem. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Char. I gave it to
No
him too
problem.
fast. Make sure that's hot and fresh, JL, because it's not, we'll tell him.
Yeah, see if it's okay before we pull off.
It's good?
Yep.
Alright. I don't think I have a battery, baby.
For what?
My GoPro.
Oh, okay.
Oh well.
We'll do it the next camping trip. We'll vlog with your GoPro.
I'm gonna get that throw that battery away. End up throwing it away.
I hope not. Are we riding out straight out Peachtree Industrial?
Yeah, I'm gonna go out here and turn on Metlock because I think I gotta go 400.
Yes, we are on our way to Amicalola Falls State Park. Amicalola Falls is a magnificent 729-foot waterfall. That's the 3rd highest cascading waterfall east of the Mississippi. The
sun always rises in the east and sets in the west.
Yes, Yes, we are on our way to Amicalola Falls, and it's a beautiful sunrise here in the state of Georgia. We just picked up JL's bagel and coffee, and now we're going. JL likes Dunkin' Donuts. Eric likes Einstein Brothers bagels. So now we're going to pick up his bagel and a coffee.
Vanilla hazelnut.
What kind of coffee do you like?
Vanilla hazelnut.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And cinnamon raisin bagel.
Okay.
Well, cinnamon raisin bagel, coffee, large.
Okay.
Hazelnut.
Okay.
Oh,
Was it crowded in there?
nah. Nope, it wasn't crowded at all. Usually they have it ready right then and there, but it took a second. But too bad.
All right, now we're headed to Amicalola Falls State Park.
Yep, we on our way.
So there's 10 trails. We'll have to figure out which one we're going to take.
Right. Okay.
Doing, Eric?
I'm doing great. How you doing, Charlene?
Good. Do you need for me to take over the driving at this point?
No.
Okay.
I handle the driver.
Okay.
Always.
How are you doing, JL? JL?
Yeah, I'm recording my own thing too. I'm good.
Okay.
Stuff on the TV.
Arrived at Amicalola Falls State Park. We are looking for the Raven Falls Trail. It's a 4.9 mile trail, and it's going to take us to the largest fall in the state of Georgia. You can go faster, Eric.
I'm gonna read the sign and see what they're saying.
So a pass for vehicles daily is $5 and annually $50.
I wonder what my pass work here.
Your fishing pass?
It's
a state park?
It's for parks.
Oh, yeah. Well, how would you know, though?
I don't know. I'm finna see though. See? I don't know if we got a U.S. Army Corps engineer on there. I'm not
Take
sure.
the next left onto Amicalola Falls State Park Road,
Oh, so
Ranger
this
Road.
is the visiting center. Eric's inside trying to get maps for the trail we're going to hike on.
I think that's what I have mine set as. So I don't edit anything in Instagram. I edit everything in CapCut, but I shoot everything in 4K.
Thank you. This is a pretty nice visiting center.
We do not pass paper copies of the map. You can take a photo of that one if you like.
I think the bathrooms are outside. Here we go. Found it.
Is that ready?
Yep, you got everything?
Back here,
Huh?
yeah. We start back here.
Would
behind
you?
the building.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, building.
What'd you say?
This is a trail,
Okay.
and we just hike from here all the way up to here, and that's where the fall is gonna be. And
Okay.
then if you want to come back a different way, it's like through a different style trail. She said you have to be careful because the footing, gravel and stuff like that. So it's kind of, I guess, a rough trail or whatever. But you can trail back a different way.
Okay.
But it'll show you. But we starting right here,
Okay.
and it's right back there.
All right, let's
All right.
get JL out. Come on, JL. You ready?
Come on, put that down for 1 second.
Okay, we're off to find the trail.
Recording on mine too. Come on. Just press the red button down. No. Press the red button.
The white?
They don't bite unless you're a sweat.
Hey, we're at Amicalola Falls State Park. Getting ready. This is a really nice paved park. A trail, rather.
East Ridge Trail, Springer Mount 8.5 base default, T-Self and AT approach trail. It has the bear sign up, guys.
Are there bears?
Oh yeah, bears.
Oh, wow. Is this all an uphill trail?
All up uphill trail.
Oh, man. Okay.
Let's make sure we're starting the right way.
What do you mean, starting the right way?
I see two different ones. She said go up, but let me just look at my picture. Just to be sure. All right.
Is this it?
That'll be though. Yep. It's got two. Well, it's got two different ones. You can go to that side, or we can go straight up. You want to go straight? All right. Okay, back on the trail. We got Charlotte leading us. Right now. Let's see how long this lasts. It's a pretty long trail here, but I've been here before, but it's been years ago. And I never been this way. The time we came, we camped out with tents and everything. We used a different trail.
Breathe hard. Bug spray, yeah, because it's steep. Here.
Wow, this is quite a
trail.
this is quite a hike already. Yo, I'm vlogging now.
I hate to do it. Ooh, that looks perfect. You see what I'm talking about, Mom?
Yep.
All right.
Good morning.
Morning.
Here we go, yo. I'm vlogging now.
I hate to do it. Ooh, that looks perfect. You see what I'm talking about, Mom?
Yep.
All right.
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm breathing hard and I walk pretty good
I know.
so many days a week. But this is an uphill climb.
Yep.
It's a climb. Is that Miley Cyrus song?
Did you want to sing something, JL? Sing louder, JL.
You see how this trail is off the path?
Yeah.
That's how a trail we would do. Something like this.
Why'd y'all go off the beaten path?
Because the guy said he knew. He took us there. But it's just we got caught in the dark coming back.
Oh, okay.
And we was like this here. Trying to get back. But it wasn't even here, Charlotte. We was over in it. Wait, did people set up tents?
What were people bringing up here? Did they camp or something?
Yeah, you can camp, you can tent.
Go.
This is the Juro spider, right here. And they're from Asia. They're invasive species.
Oh, it's hard to
15
see it on the camera.
You'll see it probably.
Can you put your hand
Right
behind
here.
it?
You see it right here? You on
Put
my
your
finger?
oh,
Right there.
put your hand behind it.
Right there. You see he moving. You see he moving right there?
Yes.
And they're from Asia. 15 to 20 years ago, they wasn't even here
Wow.
in Georgia. But just tell you how our world is getting smaller from traveling and stuff. They got here from traveling.
Oh.
But now they all over the place.
Does that mean people brought
Yeah,
them in their
yeah.
suitcases?
Yeah. I mean,
Oh, wow.
They hit you on. And
Oh.
you know it, they here. And
Wow.
now they all over the place.
Wow.
Yep. And they get, that's a small one. They get like that.
Oh my
They
God.
get real big. That's what I do, so I'm not trying to.
What do you do?
I'm in the pest control industry.
Okay.
So I learned about a lot of different insects and stuff. People always crying about spiders. Can you get rid of the spiders? But there's really no chemical or treatment for them. They would die when you spray them directly. But as far as any kind of residual, none. Zero.
Oh, okay. So that's not because you're from Columbus, Georgia, and you're a country boy. It's because of your profession.
Well, that's probably part of it, but it's all good.
Okay. Eric, is the loop 4 point something miles, or is it 4.2 miles coming there and back?
Yep.
Okay, so it's 2 miles going up.
No, I said I don't know. I didn't ask. It might just be 2.2 some miles. You might be right. I doubt it. Oh. I'm gonna ask this guy. I'm gonna ask him,
Yeah,
you sure?
sure.
Hello.
Morning.
Hey, how many miles is it to the falls?
Probably like a mile or so.
Oh, okay. Not no.
Yeah.
4, 3,
Yeah,
4
it'll
miles.
take you to the top of the falls, and then you can go down the stairs. Yeah,
Thank
yeah, of course.
Thank you.
600 steps down.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Thank you.
It's not too bad, I promise.
I wonder why people aren't going down like the stairs. They're going like this.
There's probably is some people down there. You see all those cars and stuff down
But I'm
there.
saying, why do some people try to go back into it?
Oh, you can go either way. Some people.
I know. I'm not saying why.
You know what I'm saying? You don't know who's using the other trail. It could be some. They could have came up the other way and coming down. So you can go like this here.
I
You
know.
can go this
Is there
way,
one
or you
way?
can go this way.
Is there one way that's easier? Like, why do some people pick one?
No, the way the lady told me, we're taking the easier way. The other way is a little rocky and more terrain. I mean, this is thick enough, but it's more.
Man, I'm taking a beating here because my walk is usually flat.
Well, good.
And this is straight up the hill.
Let me get mine back on since y'all.
JL, what do you? Okay, so we are going uphill. They say it's about 1 point something miles uphill. Yeah, that's the point, JL, to get high.
How you feel, JL? I'm talking about how your body feel, your legs and stuff.
Oh, I'm so tired. I'm tired. That's what I just did. Kidding? You have to be normal. You can't be.
All right, guys. I'm on Charlene's vlog, her healing space. We are going through the mountains to Amicalola Falls, and this is pretty thick. I've been here years ago. Seemed like it was a lot different back then. It has to have been at least 20 years ago, so I'm sure it was different.
JL, do you see how it was important to you to wear hiking shoes as opposed to sneakers?
You talking to me?
I'm talking to
Oh,
JL.
yeah, how
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I was trying to get her to put on the hiking boots,
yeah.
and she said she wanted to wear the sneakers that matched her outfit.
I'm glad I put on my boots. God, thank you, Char. Because I was about to put on some loose tennis shoes. I would have been hurting.
Yeah, this calls for some hiking shoes for real.
Yeah. I said I was going to buy me some last week, and I never did go. But I think I'm going to go get some today. Since we're doing these hiking trips every Saturday, every other Saturday. What was the other place we went to a couple of weeks ago? It's in Kennesaw.
It was one of the state parks. Yeah, in Swanee State Park.
Swanee?
Yeah.
In Kennesaw?
No, oh, I thought you meant last week when the
Oh, no, 2 weeks ago.
Oh, that was Kennesaw Mountain.
Kennesaw Mountains. Do you remember the name of the park?
Kennesaw State Park.
Oh, that's the name of it?
Yeah. Whoa. Lost my balance there. Come on, girl.
All right, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get a shot into the deep forest. God, it's thick. You can't even see through it. I kind of would like to see a bear from far, you know,
Yeah,
but
that would be nice.
kind of. Yeah, bears, man.
Like, oh, you need a jacket? I'm like, no. 'Cause I know how this crap is. All what I need is
But bears are so quiet, y'all. You can take a look back and he can be right there next to you. There go the red diamond.
Oh, don't you see that
You
there's
follow
been
follow the diamond. Those are the
there's
trails.
been a thing mapped out?
Those are the trails.
Oh, okay.
The marks.
The marks.
You don't see they've mapped out a thing? Oh, gosh. You don't see that, dude?
It's a hike, y'all. It's serious. They say this is the third. What you said, Shar?
The fall is the highest in Georgia.
The highest in Georgia,
Yeah.
and I do believe it.
This area is closed. That's probably where all the bears are.
Oh, it's closed off.
She said it's cold.
Closed.
Oh.
Closed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll show you how much she listens.
See, we were going through some dense stuff. All right, y'all. Well, look like they can drive on this trail. Whew, this is, man, this is steep.
Eric will be nice and hungry for the Thai chili you have planned for us.
I know you will.
Did you have it planned for us?
They love Thai chili, y'all. That's their favorite place to go. Probably one of the only places to go.
And it's very vegan friendly.
Vegan friendly.
From Eric and I's perspective. Although Imani eats vegan food
Yeah,
when she goes,
she's on her way to being vegan.
yeah, she's not too far.
She's not too
Sick
far.
of it.
That's all right. You the in shape girl. You the younger one.
Oh, it's
You
so-
got it.
Why was it so hot this summer?
Hey, then you suggest these hiking trips? That's all right. Just think about it like this. You're getting in shape. Your legs and stuff would be like the trainer girl that you are.
You have better sights, like all the stuff is cut down so you can see the top. Like a smooth view.
I think in the wintertime, I bet you could see very clearly. We got to come back here when the leaves fall.
Why would, oh, because the leaves. I was about to say, what would that do anything?
Guys, we're about a quarter of a mile away from the fall. This has truly been a hike. It's been all uphill.
Ooh,
Good morning.
good morning. Whew, we don't have long.
What?
I hear all the bees buzzing. What a great hike, guys.
Yeah.
What a great hike.
Oh, we made it. Looks like we made it.
No, I don't know yet. Good morning, good morning.
No, you're good. I'm just stopping because I'm tired.
Good morning.
Morning, morning.
Oh boy. Well, I hear it. We must be there because there's the ladies' room.
We made it, guys.
We made it up the mountain.
We're at the top.
And it's a lot cooler up here. It feels so good.
It is.
And you see that sign saying, beware, bears.
Oh my God. Are you
Of what?
bears?
Oh gosh.
Jesus Christ. Oh, fucking.
Did you say F again, Jay?
Yep, she did the F-bomb. Excuse it, y'all.
Now she's
Well-
doing it.
We apologize for the technical difficulties.
This is bear country.
Bear country. I would love to see one, but not coming at us, of course. See where it says bear country. bear country. I guess
Come
we
on, JL.
see it come.
There's bears up here.
Come on. Let me cut that. But people say, where's the bears? Good morning.
Morning.
All right, Shaw. Take your time. Oh, it feels so much better. I guarantee you it's 5 to 6 degrees cooler at least. Maybe more.
Getting closer to the water is going to be even cooler.
Yeah, it's getting louder. You can probably hear the water. All right, guys. Wow. What a drop. Yep, we're at the top, guys. Look at the mountains out there.
This is amazing. I forgot how high we are.
Did you enjoy that hike?
Yes. I feel so good. And the fact that we're up high
Yeah.
and it's in the water, we're near the water, the breeze is amazing.
So much cooler.
Yes. So we'll be able to give you guys a better shot of the actual waterfall in its entirety as we go back down the mountain, and we'll just take some clips of the entire waterfall.
I guess we're gonna get ready to start heading back down.
Which way to the stairs? Okay. So we're going back down the stairs, and they're metal, so we got to be careful not to slip. Years ago, they used to be made out of recycled tire rubber.
Oh, they're gonna fall, y'all. JL, you get a picture of that?
Yeah, I think we can get a better shot even further down, where the trees aren't obstructing the scene. Okay, so we've walked down the stairs, a few staircases, and I think we can get a better view of the fall from here. Wow. Oh, it's so much cooler too. Once you get by this water, every time it's a lot cooler. Oh, it feels so good. You ready? Huh? This way, Monty went this way.
Why would you walk that way? Is that something different?
It's 6 1/2 dozen the other. You can go on either
I
side.
think it's cooler when you walk closer to the water.
Oh, well, tell JL that we
JL.
can walk that way.
Let's walk down this way.
It's cooler walking closer to the water, plus we can get some good pictures.
Hey guys, JL says she's tired. It's time to leave. Came up I think it was like 2 something miles up the mountain.
Yeah, altogether it's a 4 point.
Yeah, it's a 4 something miles.
mile hike.
So,
Eric, you better open up your wallets because I'm mighty hungry.
and my legs feel rubbery.
Oh my God.
That's
Is this the whole way down?
Hey, it said a little bit tough.
I'd rather do the stairs. You know what?
Somebody bathing over there in the falls.
This is forcing you to really use your leg muscles.
Right. Somebody bathing over there in the falls, y'all.
Somebody bathing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they were talking about.
Ooh.
So we just made it down the mountain. We ran into a pond, and I know Eric is probably feeling like he wish he had a fishing pole because someone was fishing.
I see the guys fishing, man. Maybe I could have caught some trout. Good morning. Hello.
So we made it down the hill, and we survived. So
Yes.
yay us.
And they're fishing in this little pond. It could be a big bass in there, y'all.
Okay, we made it to Thai Chili after that long hike, and we are about to throw down. And let me explain to you what we have. So here's JL's spicy Thai hot rice with onions, and she has the spicy shrimp soup with that. I'm going to share with her some of my Thai hot veggies with tofu and sauce, and she's going to share some fried rice with me. My dish comes with steamed rice, and Eric's dish is veggie fried rice, mild. And then we got 2 orders of spring rolls and sauce. And so we are about to pig out. That hike really took a lot out of us. We've got to put some energy back in us. So this is the end of this episode of Healing Space, and we will see you next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.